What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei Band 6 fitness band and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box where we'll have a look on the device inside, its highlighted features, design, aspects and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. So Huawei Band 6 comes in this retail box. Here is a huge picture of the device, Huawei branding, the device name. It comes with all day long SpO2 monitoring. It comes with a full view display and a long battery life. On the back we got the information once again that it comes with 24/7 SpO2 monitoring. We got a 1.47-inch AMOLED full view display, long battery life once again. It comes with all day long heart rate monitoring. We got 96 different workout modes, fast charging capability, scientific sleep tracking, Huawei True Sport scientific sport algorithm and 5 ATM water resistance. The device we got inside is forest green in color and it got the forest green silicone strap as well, and this is a special review unit, not for sale. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the Huawei Band 6 in forest green color. So here is the charging cable with the connection point, and we got the user manual, the quick start guide as well. So we just got this charging cable, the Huawei Band 6 and this user manual inside the retail box of Huawei Band 6. So here is the Huawei Band 6. Let's switch it on. So now I will have to go through the setup process, connect the device with the smartphone and all, and it's going to take a bit of time. So what I'm gonna do in this video, that I'm gonna skip that part, gonna do all of the setup and everything in the background, and once the setup is finished, I will come back and continue the video. And for the setup process, I will make a separate video in which I will show how you can set up the Huawei Band 6, connect it with your smartphone, and I will go through all of its features in detail to let you know that how you can utilize the features and options provided on Huawei Band 6 to use it properly and enjoy all of its features. So do not forget to watch that video as well to get in-depth information about all of the features of Huawei Band 6. So now the configuration is done and we are good to go. So first of all, let's talk about the design of Huawei Band 6. So here on the front side we got a 1.47-inch AMOLED display that is quite huge considering this is a fitness tracker. The edge-to-edge and slightly curved display looks beautiful and also a bit premium. On the right side we got a physical button and the matte finished grey case also looks very beautiful. The design is very much inspired from the Huawei Watch Fit. So in terms of design and build quality, Huawei Band 6 is one of the better looking fitness tracker because of its large screen with curved edges and premium looking metallic case. The device is also 5 ATM waterproof. The strap is also very smooth, lightweight and skin friendly, and the Huawei Band 6 weighs just 18 grams without a strap, and with the strap also it won't weigh much because the strap itself is very lightweight. So you can wear it 24/7 without feeling any discomfort. Talking about the display, we got a 1.47-inch AMOLED display with 194x368 pixels resolution. So the PPI you are going to get is 282, and because of that the display quality is quite nice. The viewing angles are also very nice, and because of the curved edges it looks beautiful. The screen to body ratio is 64%, and as you can see that we got bit of bezels around the screen, but the good part is that these bezels are nearly invisible most of the time and giving an impression that we got an edge-to-edge display on Huawei Band 6. It also comes with lots of watch faces that you can use based on your preference, and I'm going to make a separate video in which I will show how you can install even more watch faces on your device, or how you can use your own picture as the watch face on Huawei Band 6. The touch screen sensitivity is quite nice. As you can see here, it's pretty smooth and we got plenty of cards that provide many different information regarding your physical activity, health, fitness, weather, and some useful cards like music, etc. that you can use to control the music on your device. So I'm going to make a separate video in which I will talk about all of the features of Huawei Band 6 in detail and how you can use them. So do not forget to watch that video to get the detailed idea about every single feature of this device. But here, this is just a quick unboxing video, so I just want to give you an idea about what are the features we got here. So as you can see, it's pretty feature rich, providing lots of information right from the home screen and the watch face itself. If you press this physical button here, then you will go to the menu, and here we got the workout. So as we have seen written on the retail box that it comes with 96 different workouts that you can use on Huawei Band 6 depending what kind of physical activity you are involved in. In the workout records, you will get the records of your workout. As you can see, it's blank because we have just started using the device. Then we got the heart rate monitoring. We got the 24/7 SpO2 monitoring here as well. After that, once again, we got the activity records that provides the pedometer information as we have seen from the home screen as well. After that, there is sleep tracking that provides the information that how much hours and minutes you have slept. And then we got the stress monitoring that gives the information regarding your stress level, categorizing it in 4 different categories. So I'm going to talk about all of these features and how you can use them in detail with the help of Huawei Health application in my another video. So once again, do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. The next one is breathing exercises. As the name suggests, you can use it to perform some breathing exercise to keep yourself calm if you find that your stress level is getting high. And then we got the music player, using which you can control the music on your smartphone right from the Huawei Band 6. So you can play, pause, skip between the tracks, control the volume as well. The next one is remote shutter, using which you can take the picture on your smartphone using the Huawei Band 6 as the remote shutter. After that, here we got the notification. You can see that I got a notification from my Twitter because my device is connected with my smartphone when I did the setup. After that, we got the weather, we got the stopwatch, timer, alarm, all of the basic stuff. We got the torch as well, that if we tap on it, the screen will lit up in the maximum brightness in white color, so it works as a torch or the flashlight. Then we got the find phone feature. If you tap on this, then my smartphone will start ringing and it will let me know that where exactly is my smartphone so I can go and pick it up. So I'm going to talk about once again in all of these in detail in another video. And then we got the setting. Here you can perform various settings and customization. For display, you can select your watch face, you can adjust the brightness, then you can also change all of this information. As I said, I will talk about it in my another video. Here I'm just giving you a quick idea that what are the features and options we got. We got the DND. Once again, we got the workout settings that consist of auto detection of the workout. You can also set up the pin. I will make a separate video about this, that how you can put a pin on your Huawei Band 6 for better privacy and security so that nobody can use it and access it and read your notification, etc. And then we got the system and about section. So these are all of the features we got in the settings, and then this is the menu where we got all of these features. And as you can see that the device is pretty feature rich. We got lots and lots of options, 96 different workouts, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, 24/7 SpO2 monitoring. We got the sleep tracking, stress level tracking, breathing exercises. You can even use your Huawei Band 6 as a music player, remote shutter, and to use some productivity applications like a stopwatch, timer, and alarm. So this is pretty nice because we got lots of features and options that you can use not only for health tracking and monitoring but also for the productivity related activities. So overall, Huawei Band 6 is looking a very nice fitness tracker, especially because of its design, huge screen, build quality, and plenty of features we got on this device, especially considering its price segment. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because many more videos of Huawei Band 6 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.